Comparing phrenic nerve with the number 3. First of all, let us look into this picture. You can see how the phrenic nerve is supplying the diaphragm. Here onto the top you can see the spinal cord, that is the cervical segment of the spinal cord starting from C3 and running till C5. So that is the root value of the phrenic nerve. This nerve is coming and supplying specifically the dome of the diaphragm. Let us see how we can compare this with the numeric 3. Now here you can see the component of the spinal cord, that is the third cervical segment C3. So it starts from C3, it goes down to 3, 1, 2, 3, that is C3, C4 and C5. So that is the second 3. So this is the first 3. This is the 3 components or the 3 root values, that is the second 3. The whole 3 goes down to the diaphragm, which resembles a 3, the dome of the diaphragm on either side, and central tendon of the diaphragm in the center, that resembles a 3. So starting from C3, 3 roots 1, 2, 3 supply the diaphragm, which resembles like a 3. So this is how I have correlated 3 with the phrenic nerve. Okay. Now one more relation which I observed was, now this is the inferior view of the diaphragm. You can see the fleshy part outside, that is the brown color, and the central tendon in the center. So the fleshy part is supplied by the phrenic nerve, that is a motor supply, and the sensory part, the central tendon, is here. So that is 2 regions. One more region, that's a third region, as I mentioned here, the 3 regions. The third region is the pericardium. You can see the phrenic nerve is cruising along the pericardium. So the green color pericardium is also, the sensory supply to the pericardium is also given by the phrenic nerve. So 3 supplies of the phrenic nerve are the muscular part of the diaphragm, the central tendon of the diaphragm, and the pericardium. And these 3 starting from C3, C3, C4, C5, and the 3 roots, that is 1, 3, 4, C3, C4, C5, and the diaphragm, ending in the diaphragm, which also resembles 3. Thank you.